Can you tell me what those little maggots? Those little, they look like little white roach or something. I think this is what's causing the problem because I have these there and the other one too. But I thought though they say that everything's in the ground is all good for it. Now I'm noticing that this one the roots were eaten. From the other onion that I had. When I took it out, it didn't have no roots. Apparently, this thing eats roots, and I'm giving it a little neem, and they're going haywire. That's why they're out in the I call it in the top. Does this really affect the plants? Anybody knows? They look like little white roaches. They're going crazy there. I made a big hole, started putting neem all over it, so they can't go on the bottom either. So they like looking where to go. And plus, I sprayed them as they come out. So I would like to know if anybody knows about these little creature, little white roach or whatever they are. I don't know what they are. You see it right there? Look how big it is. It looks big right there, right there. Oh, it started to walk like kind of fading. I think they're gonna die. I was planning to put this plant, 'cause I'm dying to see it here. So I decided to put it here instead of over there, because over here they get sun. But I don't know with these things. I'm gonna have to kill it first and refresh the dirt or something. So I don't think I'm gonna put it there. And I hope it doesn't slide to the other because I have my men here. They're starting to look beautiful, and I don't want them to die on me. So I hope they don't go to that side. I didn't see none when I buried this one. I planted it. I didn't see none there. The only place I have seen it is now here, and on that long canister I just talked about, that everything dies there. There goes one dead. Right there, right there. Right there is dead. It's not moving. You see? It's not moving. It's dying. And so if I could get rid of that first before I put it in there, it'll be much better. And I understand that neem does not hurt the plant because it's organic. So it just hurts how you call it, these little insects and stuff like that. So I think that if it's that the problem, and if you tell me, if somebody knows about this and tell me no, that little creature does not do nothing, he's not eating the roots. So because it's not bad, they don't dig it out and eat it. It's inside the dirt that they eat it. And one time I put how you call it, an onion there, and when I looked, there was a lot of them just around where the area of the root is. There's a lot of them. I don't know why I didn't stop to think about that, but I think that's what that problem has. I will have to take those two plants out and also do the same thing as I'm doing with these. So I'm going to keep on doing this and see if tomorrow or leave it a week or so and see what happens. Then I plant this. I took out my knife and everything to cut it, to separate them. Here goes my knife. Then I will wash it with, I don't have a knife for the garden. But what I do is I use it and then I wash it with soap and water and a little bit of Clorox. Just to make sure everything is nice and clean. So saying this, God bless you all. And let me see then what I'm going to do. Oh, I also put chia here. The chia I put in the other place ain't working. They look like dry rocks, even though it has water. This one, I don't see anything either. I don't know how long it takes. It's been there for a week or so. So I don't really know how long it takes. I'm going to leave that like for a month like that. And if nothing happens, then I use it for something else. So let's see what happens to these things. I think they die because they're not moving. There's another one down there that is not moving. And it's great for ants. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.